Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this paw paint coaster. For this tutorial, we will need blue yarn or any color you want, white yarn, 3.5mm hook, needle, and scissors. Now, in the beginning, we will make a magic ring, then chain 2. We will start with 16 double crochet in the magic ring. Go ahead and close that circle by tying the short tail. Now, make a slip stitch with the first double crochet. To begin round 2, we will chain 1, and then in that same stitch we will make 1 single crochet. Then make 1 half double crochet in the next stitch and 2 double crochet in that same stitch. In the next stitch we will make 2 triple crochet. And 2 triple crochet in the next stitch as well. And 2 double crochet in the next stitch. We also need to put 1 half double crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch we will make only 1 single crochet. Now into next stitch we will make half double crochet and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Into the next stitch we will make 1 double crochet and 1 triple crochet in the same stitch. Now the process will be reversed like a mirror. Into the next stitch we will start with 1 triple crochet and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Then double crochet and 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. And single crochet in the next stitch. And in stitch number 12 we will make 1 half double crochet and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Then 2 triple crochet in the next stitch. crochet in the next stitch. Then 2 double crochet and 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. And into the last stitch we will make single crochet. At the end of the round 2 we will close the round 2 by making a slip stitch with the first single crochet. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now to attach a white yarn we are going to put our hook into very first stitch which made in round 2. And attach our yarn by chaining 1, and in that same stitch we are going to make a single crochet and single crochet into next 2 stitches. To hide the excess yarn you can place them inside the stitches. Now into the next 5 stitches we will increase. That means we will make 2 single crochet in each stitch. Now make 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches. Now in the next 3 stitches we will make a decrease. To make a decrease we will insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over, then into the next stitch, yarn over, and then into the third stitch, yarn over. We will have 4 loops on the hook. We will yarn over and pull the yarn through all loops. And now we are going to make increase the next 6 stitches. Now repeat the decreasing process in the next 3 stitches. Then make 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches. Then in the next 5 stitches we will increase. crochet in each stitch. Now close the round by making slip stitch. Then chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now, to make the upper part, we're gonna to locate our hook into the decrease stitch. Chain 2 and make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Then, in the next stitch, make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. Skip 3 stitches and in the 4th one make 3 double crochet. In the next stitch make 3 double crochet again. Now, repeat the process. Skip 3 stitches. In the 4th one, make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. And then, in the next stitch, we will make 3 double crochet. Again, skip 3 stitches and in the 4th one make 3 double crochet. Then, in the next stitch, we will make 2 double crochet and half double crochet in the same stitch. Now we will turn the piece over, and in the middle of each finger we will make 6 double crochet. By skip 2 stitches, in the 3rd stitch we will make 3 double crochet, and then in the next stitch make 3 double crochet too. Now we will skip 2 stitches and in the space we will make slip stitch. Repeat the process. Skip 2 stitches, then in the 3rd stitch we will make 3 double crochet and 3 double crochet in the next one. Then make slip stitch in the space. Repeat the same process until the end. At the end, we will make slip stitch with the first double crochet we made. Don't forget to chain one and then cut the yarn. Now we are going to work on the border, so we need a white yarn again. Make sure that the front side is facing us. We are going to attach a yarn in the stitch before the decrease, chaining one and single crochet in the same stitch. Then make one single crochet into the next two chain. Make one single crochet into the next two stitches, then increase next two stitches, then one single crochet in the next two stitches. Now we are going to make front post double crochet. Now we are going to work one single crochet the next 2 stitches. Then increase the next 2 stitches. And then one single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Repeat the process until the last double crochet. We will make one single crochet along the half double crochet and the one single crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like my video to reach the largest number of viewers. And if you have any question, write it in the comments. See you!